Ever end up with a Midjourney masterpiece that's just a little off? Let's dive into fixing those AI art hiccups. First, let's tackle those pesky artifacts and distortions. Often, a simple reroll can resolve minor glitches if the issue persists. Don't be afraid to tweak your prompt. Consider adding more specific descriptive adjectives instead of a cat. Try a fluffy ginger cat with emerald green eyes. This gives Midjourney more precise guidance. You can also adjust the weight of certain words if an element is overpowering or distorted. Slightly lowering its weight can help. Conversely, increasing the weight of a desired feature can bring it into focus. Don't forget the power of parameters. Experiment with different aspect ratios to see if a wider or taller canvas impacts the composition favorably. The stylized parameter can also influence the overall artistic interpretation. Caught an unwanted element intruding? Use negative prompting. Simply add no unwanted element to your prompt. For instance, no trees if there are distracting trees in your scene. By understanding your prompt and mastering a few key parameters, you can transform those less than perfect generations into truly stunning AI artwork. Happy creating!